Now open WhatsApp, download the APK, allow from the source, accept. Now install. Now open, allow all the items. Now the app is installed in your mobile phone.
Once the app is installed, go to settings and enable locations. Do not forget to enable locations, then only you can pair your scale.
Go to the Bluetooth settings and search for your device. In this case it is showing POS 5017. In your case it might be some other number, but it will be written as POS or Giri POS, whatever it is. You have to choose that, and the default password is 1234 and press OK. So once it is paired, open the application, go to settings, go to scale connection settings, the fifth thing, go to add and press classic Bluetooth and press rescan. So you need to select POS 5017. I am pressing the select button so that below the classic Bluetooth you can see the name POS 5017 and address. Now press the save at the right hand side bottom, press save, and your device will be listed over here. After downloading the app, go to configuration settings, choose character set, and you have to choose the last option XISCIITA and press save button. To upload and download items, you need to go to commodity settings. You can see upload and download. If you upload an item, the items from the weighing scale will be uploaded to the mobile phone. If you download it, the items from the mobile phone will be downloaded to the weighing scale. For example, I've already having some items on my mobile phone, so I'm just choosing the third item and I'm pressing modify. So it gives me this item name, PLU number, PLU name. You can change edit the PLU name here. You can edit the price. For example, I'm making it 50 rupees. So I can just type in 50. Barcode should be same as PLU number. And if you have an incoming price, you can put incoming price, otherwise put it 0. And by weight means the items which you sell by weight. For example, tomato, onion, these kind of items are sold by weight, whereas bread, egg, these are sold by pieces. If it is sold by pieces, you have to choose pieces, otherwise you have to keep it as weight. And stock also you can put like 100 kg or whatever stock you are having, you can put it. And do not forget to press the save button. Please press the save button. Okay. Once it is saved, you need to press download to send to the weighing scale. Choose your weighing scale number, and on the left hand side bottom you can see download selected scale. You press it and then press yes. So once it is connected, it will get transferred. You can also upload and download the header and footer messages from the weighing scale. Go to scale parameter settings, ticket head information, choose the first line. For example, I need to modify it. I can put it Giri Brothers, whatever you want you can type it. Alignment, you have got left, center, right. Always center looks good. And you can choose normal. Normal means it will not have any bold or something. If you make it double, it is good. Try to make it at within 18 characters so that it looks good, and you press save button. Second line you can put, for example, I modify it 24. Then go to alignment, make it center. Font can be normal and press save button. Like that you can add third and fourth line also. This will be printed on the head portion of the receipt. Once it is done, press the back button and do not forget to press download, and download selected scale, press yes. So it will get uploaded.